go back at it. She ain't never do this before, but she good at it. So she never made love, but she good at it. She doesn't feel good when I look at it. I get goosebumps when I look at it. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun with it. Only girl, just wanna have fun with me.
Todd, can you play that again?
Go back at it. 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 Go back.
Hey girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Back at it.
Back at it. Girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Back at it.
Girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Go back at it. Back at it. Go back.
Hey bitches, it's Rihanna here back with another video, and today I'm going to film a Wendy's mukbang. So today we have some strawberry lemonade. Oops. And then we have some fries, no salt, and some chicken nuggets with sweet and sour sauce. So let's clear this area. Sitting in the parking lot, and I tried to drive to a spot where nobody was at, which is right over there. Let me drive right over there. Let me see. Let me put my seatbelt back on first. I'm gonna try to drive slowly so that you guys won't fall, which you probably will, like right about now. Okay, you ain't falling so far. I'm driving really easy and slow. Okay, picking up the pace a little bit. Okay, now we're going to turn. I'm driving like super duper slow so that you got, okay. Damn, we made it. Okay, nobody should. Now all of them are gonna look at me. Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't matter who looks, okay? So I went to McDonald's to get a sundae so that I can dip my fries. I got my piercing, so that's why I'm talking like this. So I'm just gonna dip my fries. I have nothing to talk about, so. What's new? And I'm gonna be smacking in this video because I got snake eyes on my tongue and it's hard to eat, so I have to smack, sorry. I don't know what to talk about. I can stop this video. Yep, I'm dipping nuggets in here. Isn't it weird that I'm sitting inside of a Planet Fitness parking lot eating this? I'm funny. Ouch. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna film this video. I might just tap it off right here because I literally have nothing to talk about. If I had somebody like a special guest here, it would be much easier because we'll have a conversation. But I could have did like a Q&A about getting to know me, but I didn't look up any questions. So, and plus I'm recording off my phone, so I'm probably still gonna post this video anyway. Might just roll by. But yeah, I'm still gonna post this video anyway. Like, so what? So I'll see you guys in the next video. A much better video. Bye, peaches.